Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to get free stuff on Amazon. So let's get started. First, open Amazon and select your local region. This works in all regions and on any device. Now, search for a product you're interested in. For example, a gaming headset. Look for items with low reviews. These are often products from new sellers who want more sales. A good tip is to scroll down to the sponsored section of the search page. Once you find a suitable item, click on it and scroll to where it says Sold By, followed by the seller's name. Tap on that seller name to open their profile. Now click on Ask a Question. Choose the item, select Product Details, and then write your message. In your message, introduce yourself as someone who reviews products. Say you notice their item has no reviews, and explain how reviews influence buyers. Offer to review their product with pictures and videos in exchange for receiving it for free. Make sure your message is polite and clear. Do not spam sellers. Try a few genuine messages instead, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.